what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I want to make a video about a medium skin fade, okay? Shout out to Barber Illuminati. Shout out to 1+1 Barber out there in West Africa, Ghana. Shout out to all my Instagram subscribers. And shout out to everybody that's been commenting, leaving, sharing my videos, asking questions. Those that have been subscribing to my channel, listen, I want y'all to know you subscribing to this channel is very helpful to this channel. It helps this channel grow, and the more you comment, subscribe, help. If you unlike the video, you actually contributing as well. Those of you that are haters, but anyways, like I said, I'm doing a medium, really a low skin fade for real. As you can see, I got the Andes Masters. I just drew my guideline, my bald line at the bottom. I got my Andes Masters opened all the way, and now I'm grabbing my Wall Seniors, and I got them opened up all the way. And I'm fading up right below where I went to the highest point with the Andes Masters. Okay? First I did the Andes Masters, opened up all the way. Now I got the Wall Seniors opened up all the way, and I'm fading as high as I can. And then I'm gonna close the lever right after this right here. And when I close the lever, I'm gonna start trying to attempt to erase the bottom line. But anyways, those of you right there, those of you that have been subscribing and sharing these videos and commenting, I really appreciate y'all, and I ask that you guys continue to do so. Y'all being, interactive with this whole channel and being cooperative and, just contributing to this channel. I really appreciate y'all, because you guys have no idea where I started from and where I'm headed. So I appreciate everybody that's showing love to this channel, okay? So if you get a chance, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to add me on Instagram at custom_made_cuts. And right now I got my one guard on my Wall Senior, and I'm fading up about another inch with the guard opened up all the way. I know it's kind of dark and it's hard to see this video. I guess the lighting's kind of bad, but all I did was open the guard lever all the way. Now I'm closing it all the way, and I'm fading it right below that. Okay? Now what I'm going to actually do is do a 3 on top. At the end of this video, I'm going to actually take the 3 guard, open it up all the way, and go against the grain. Okay, so I got to fade until the 3. So that was just the 1 guard. Alright, now I got the half guard, and I got that closed all the way, and I'm fading between where I had the Andes Masters opened all the way and where I had the Wall Senior closed all the way. So now I got the half guard right in between the Andes Masters opened all the way and the Wall Seniors closed all the way. And I kind of just play with the lever here and there, trying to see if I can get a transition going. Now the next step, of course, I'm going to grab my 1.5 guard, and that's what's on there now, and I'm fading up another inch, okay? And as you can see, the haircut and the fade starting to come together a little bit, and I got it opened up all the way. I'll eventually close the guard all the way. Now this is a half haircut. Okay, so that's closed all the way. This is the half haircut. I actually just faded the other side before I started recording. So this is the half a haircut. So that's why I can skip through all this stuff and only make this a 10-minute video. Okay, now I go back to my original 1 guard, Wall Senior 1 guard, opened all the way, and then I'm gonna come back down and close it all the way. There we go. Just to knock out that transition line. Sometimes you gotta go over your work a few times just to get the fade right. There's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes that's what's required to make the haircut come out good. You don't always get a perfect haircut. And then when you fade in one side of your head and then you turn it around and fade in the other side of your head, sometimes it can kind of be hard to figure out what you want to do. Okay, so now I got the 3 guard on top, and I am taking all that bulk off, okay? All of the bulk off. So that's the 3 guard, and I'm gonna come back with the 2 guard. get the 2 guard, I'm gonna open the lever all the way. See, it's still a 3 guard right here. And I'm just going in a different direction. And when I come back with the 2 guard, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the 2 guard all the way and then close it all the way and just try to transition from the 1.5 to the 2. And that right there, my friend, is the 3. So I'm not sure if you guys see where I was going with this. So I went from the 1 to the 3 and then back down to the 2. Okay? Very simple. Don't let this confuse you. I know it may seem complicated, but it's really not. Do not allow this to fool you, okay? Or confuse you. This is the 2 guard right here, and I got it opened up all the way. And like I said, I'm just trying to transition that fade from that 1.5 to the 3. Okay? And sometimes you got to go in different directions. Sometimes there it is, I close the guard. Sometimes you got to, just play with it a little bit. I might even go back down to the 1.5 guard to grab it just to get a transition going. No problem. There's nothing wrong with going back over your work, okay? You have to do it. There you go, 1.5 guard right there. You have to go back down just to make something work. Don't worry about it. Don't hesitate to do it. That's why we're here. We're here to give the client what they want. And as long as you can get a decent fade, a decent transition, I doubt the client will mind you going back over to work 2 or 3 times. It's worth it to them. Okay, so now right here, I got my T outliners, and I'm gonna go ahead and edge them up real good. By the time I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and give you my Kiss Express, how I normally do my airbrush, and then we'll wrap it up real good. And there you go. We got a number 3 on top, skin fade, low skin fade. You guys got any questions? Go ahead and comment below. Shout out to Barber Illuminati again. Shout out to 1+1 Barber Shop in Ghana, West Africa. And shout out to everybody on Instagram, everybody on YouTube, and everybody out there that's showing this channel love. Shout out to y'all. Peace.